Hey Gleek.io fans, today we're going to guide you through creating a class diagram for a hospital management system. Start by launching app.gleek.io in your browser and ensure you're logged in. Hit New Diagram, choose Class Diagram from the dropdown, and let's get started. First, we'll add the Patient class. Just type Patient and it will appear on your chart. Now, to add attributes, go to a new line, press Tab, and write the first attribute, Name. After entering the first attribute, press Enter to continue adding more. Age, gender, address, phone, email. Perfect. And now, let's add methods to the Patient class. Press Enter on a new line and write method names like MedicalHistory and BookAppointment. Don't forget to add 2 brackets at the end of each method. Let's move to the Doctor class. Type Doctor to create the class. Add attributes like Name by following the same tabbing method. Then press Enter and add the rest attributes, Specialization, and ContactInfo. Also add methods Schedule Appointment and Check Patient History to handle doctor operations. Next, let's move to the Appointment class. Type Appointment to create the class. Add attributes like Date, Time, Patient Name, and Doctor Name. Also, add methods Create and Cancel to handle appointment operations. Now create the Medical Record class. Type Medical Record and add attributes such as Patient Name, Doctor Name, Diagnosis, Prescription, and Test Results using the Tab method. Include a method called Update to update the records, added in the same way as other methods. Next, add the Billing class by typing Billing. Press Enter, then Tab, and input the first attribute, Patient Name. Add the rest attributes, Doctor Name, Appointment Date, and Total Amount. The method Generate Bill should also be added using Enter, essential for generating bills for services. As hospitals are central to the system, type Hospital and add attributes like Name, Address, and Contact Info to represent hospital details. Now, let's add methods to the Hospital class to manage its operations effectively. Press Enter to go to the new line and add method names such as List Doctors, List Patients, Manage Appointments, and Manage Billing. These methods will help in listing all doctors and patients, as well as managing appointments and billing within the hospital. Now that we have all our classes, attributes, and methods, we need to define the relationships between them. To show that a patient can have multiple appointments, type Patient, curvy bracket, 1, curvy bracket, dash, curvy bracket, 1, 2 dots, asterisk, curvy bracket, dash, arrow. Then type Appointment. This indicates that each patient can schedule multiple appointments, which is essential for tracking all visits a patient makes to the hospital. Next, to show that each appointment is linked to a single medical record, type Appointment, curvy bracket, 1, curvy bracket, dash, curvy bracket, 1, curvy bracket, dash, arrow, then type Medical Record. This relationship signifies that during each appointment, a patient's medical record may be reviewed or updated. To indicate that each patient has one medical record, type Patient and then the same one-to-one multiplicity arrow as in the appointment to medical record relationship. When the arrow is in place, connect it to medical record. This connection shows that a medical record is a comprehensive document that chronicles a patient's health history and treatments. To represent that each appointment results in billing, type Appointment and the same arrow we used in the previous connection, then type Billing. This relationship ensures that every medical service provided during an appointment is billed accordingly. To demonstrate the hospital's overarching role, we need to create aggregation relationships. To show that the hospital encompasses patients in Gleek notation, type hospital -- angle bracket and close it with an opposite angle bracket to create a diamond shape. Then type patient. For connecting hospital to doctor, type hospital, same aggregation arrow, then connect it to doctor. For billing, type hospital, add aggregation relationship, and then type billing. These aggregations indicate that the hospital encompasses a wide range of operations and services, including managing patient care, doctor staffing, and financial transactions. And there you have it. Our hospital management system class diagram is complete. Explore Gleek's new diagram types like Gantt chart, state, and user journey diagrams, and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Stay tuned for more video tutorials.